Hello, I'm Mike Sad, Vice President at Bonitron Incorporated. We are located in Nashville, Tennessee, and we have manufactured all of our power electronics here since 1962. We offer accessories that enhance reliability, maximize uptime, and increase sustainability in drive-driven processes across all types of industries. Our products range from overvoltage braking solutions, such as braking transistors, resistors, and line regeneration units, to undervoltage products, such as our UPD systems, which are a unique DC-based solution that keeps critical drives and servos running through power quality events, such as brownouts and full power outages. Some of our other products include single-phase and three-phase power supplies, as well as portable capacitor formers. Bonitron is a privately held company with many of our employees having 15+ years of service. We take extreme pride in the quality of our products and our family-type work environment. Bonitron has been a Rockwell partner for 24 years.